Samsung Bixby has evolved into much more than a basic voice assistant. Built into Samsung Galaxy smartphones and other devices, Bixby can help users control settings, open apps, send messages, search for information, and perform everyday tasks using voice commands. Its deep integration with the Galaxy ecosystem makes it especially useful for people who want to control their devices quickly without navigating through multiple menus. What can Samsung Bixby do? Bixby can recognize natural voice commands and perform actions across compatible Samsung apps and services. You can ask it to make calls, create reminders, adjust device settings, launch applications, or control compatible smart home devices. Depending on the Galaxy device and software version, Bixby can also work with routines and contextual commands, making everyday interactions faster and more convenient. Is Samsung Bixby still worth using? Absolutely, especially if you own several Samsung Galaxy devices. While other AI assistants may offer broader conversational capabilities, Bixby's biggest advantage is its close connection to Samsung hardware and software. If you're looking for a smarter way to control your Galaxy phone and discover useful features you may have overlooked, Samsung Bixby is definitely worth exploring.